Everyone, welcome to another live today. I hope all of you are doing well and adjusting with the hot weather now. So, if you have joined recently, I would let you all know that my name is Ashima and we do live videos every Wednesday or Thursday. But now we'll be trying to be more regular with you all for doing the live videos. So today, as you know, that we are going to do a maths primary challenge video, and the paper is in the description. If you guys have not done the paper before, you can download the paper, try doing it yourself, and then come back to the channel. It's up to you all, or you could just see the video look at the questions yourself before doing it. And I hope you all had a good week at school. It was not so bad today, it was not so hot. Yesterday was really bad. It had crossed 40 degrees somewhere, and the weather was horrible yesterday. So if you want to share what you guys did yesterday, I can ask you all in the end. How was your day yesterday? Because I remember I was looking at the roads. There were so many children who didn't go to school tomorrow. So they had a day off. They just rested in the house tomorrow in the hot weather. And some did go to school and had a good and hot day at school itself. So there will be a lot of stories you all will have for the weather yesterday. But let's start what we are here for. And if you guys are ready, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, because we will be doing a lot of live videos in the coming weeks, because you have your summer holidays and I'll be here every day in summer from Monday to Wednesday in August, 12 o'clock in the morning, so that you can have your live lesson with me and then you all can go and enjoy your rest of the day. So that was the reason we normally do it in the morning, 12 to 1. That's the time will be for your live sessions. And we have also launched a new website for Amisha's Learning Tuition videos, in which we have all the good videos in that. I will show you the website link in the end, so you all can subscribe to the website, become a member through the website, and when you become a member, there will be some videos what we'll be doing live could be only for the members who have subscribed to the website. So that videos would be only for them. And we also be launching some good things what you all could buy from the website. It's like ALT pens, ALT shirts, and a lot of certificates will be there coming your way in the summer to help you all to prepare for 11 plus. So if you all are ready, we can start sharing the screen and start doing the paper. And remember, this is the advanced maths paper. So this paper is basically for the children who are giving 11 plus entrance this year. So it's for you all. And if you're in year 4, you might find this paper a little hard for you all. So if you guys are ready, don't forget to like and subscribe. And there are 3 ways or 4 ways now you could join our live lessons. One is from ALT Facebook page, second is from 11 plus ALT group, third is our YouTube channel, and the fourth is through our website, where we have launched our website recently. Did you guys do all ALT mock tests? Yes, they did. Some of them did ALT mock tests. Let's get started now. Let's start sharing the screen now. I'll hide myself so that all of you can concentrate more if you can't see me. So are you all ready? Let's get started. So if you know the answer for the first one, just let me know. The answer is for the first one. The first question is, they're telling you that I buy 10 plastic dinosaurs at 99p each. Give the shopkeeper a 10-pound note. How much change should I receive? So you're giving the change to you have 99p. You buy 10 dinosaurs, that is for 99p each, and you give the shopkeeper 10-pound note. So what do you think the answer is? And all of you are giving me the answer. That's absolutely the right answer. The answer for the first one is only 10p. Well done. Mariam, Maria. Maria, you got it right. You were the first one to give me the right answer today. Well done. So let's get something for you all. So the answer is 10p for the first one. So let's move on to the number 2. In this, you just have to estimate and tell me which of the following is closest to the length of a car. If you guys have seen a car, they are basically asking you what is the length of the car. So how big is the car basically? So you just need to say that what do you think the car is? So it's 4 meters, millimeters, 40 centimeters, 40 meters, 4 meters, 40 meters, or 4 kilometers. So what do you think it is? Anybody's giving me the right one. It's number C is not 40. Number C is 4 meters. Good. So that's the answer for this one. Let's move on to the next one. In this, an elephant's height is about twice the circumference of one of its feet. The circumference of one of the Neil's feet is 150 centimeters. About how tall is she? So what do you think? How tall is she? So what do you think? How tall she is? Anyone? Yes, 3 is C. Good. Because they are telling you, they have given you a lot of information in this one. They have told you that twice of 150 centimeters is 300 centimeters. So Neely is about 3 meters tall. So she's about 3 meters tall. Good. So let's do this one now. So now Emma decides to paint on her bedroom wall the 11 letters of the word mathematics. During a school holiday, she painted one letter each day. She finished it on a Friday. On which day of the week did she painted the first letter? So remember, she finished on a Friday. So which day do you think she would have started? So now you need to tell me the day you think she would have started. So you need to calculate how many letters are there in mathematics. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 11. So remember, how many days would she take? Emily will take a week. A week has 7 days and 4 days, working backwards from Friday. So you need to work backwards from Friday and see when will she complete it. So if she's starting on a Friday, just go backwards, because when you are doing it, you might start with S or something, or you could start with M. Just go backwards from Friday. 7 days from Friday is Tuesday. She will take a week and 4 days, because she will take 1 week and 4 days. 1 week is Thursday and do 4 days also after that. That would be your answer. Yeah, it's Tuesday. All of you got it right. So the answer for this one is Tuesday, because she will take a week. A week is 7 days. Remember how many numbers are there? There are 11 of them. So 11 alphabets are here. If I count them, there are 11. So you need to calculate that and see what answer would you get. So let's move on to the next one now. Do you want to have someone else speaking for you to now?
The pie chart on the right shows the numbers of pupils who answered the question, is there life in outer space? With a yes or no. There were 21 pupils who answered yes. How many pupils answered no?
So now you have to tell me the answer for this one. I will just zoom in, I think, so you all can't see it. Now it's better. So now the pie chart on the right as okay. So let's do this. You had someone speaking for you. You want that person to speak again.
The pie chart on the right shows the numbers of pupils who answered the question, is there life in outer space? With a yes or no. There were 21 pupils who answered yes. How many pupils answered no?
So how would you do that? Basically, let me have my drawing back. Let me have the color. So you know that 1/4 of them, because this is your pie chart. So 1/4 of them, according to this pie chart, said no. And how many of them said yes? So 3/4 of them said yes. Since 25 replied yes, the number that replied no was, so you just have to divide 21 divided by 3 to get your answer. So when you do that, you'll get your answer. What do you think the answer would be? 21 divided by 3. It's D. Good. Let me just copy all of your answers who said D. Here you go. All of your answers are here, guys. Good. It's 7. So let's move on to the next one. On the first day of this month, the sun rose at Greenwich at 6:54 and set 9 hours and 40 minutes later. At what time did the sun set? So they're asking you the time the sun set. So you have to think about that now and tell me the time when the sun set. The sun will be on the sky for how many minutes? 20 minutes, less than 10 hours. Therefore, it will set at 6:54 plus 10 because that's given to you. 10 hours minus 20 minutes. So what it'll be? The easiest way of doing this one, let us go up now. The way of doing is, you know that 20 minutes less than 10 hours, so it'll be 6:54. That's to you all. 6:54 plus 10 hours and you need to minus that. Remember, whatever answer you get, you have to minus 20 minutes from that because time what's given to you is 9 hours 40 minutes. So what would you get now? So you're doing 6:54 plus 10 hours. You need to add 10 hours plus first and then try minusing it to 20 minutes from that and then tell me your answer. It will be C. Good. All of you are getting it right. It's C. That would be 1634. Number 7 now. So let's move on to number 7. Hannah places a mirror after the word swims like this. What would the reflection look like in the mirror? So remember, when you're putting something in a mirror, you will see it upside down. You'll see it. You have to, if you have printed this paper, if you put the paper upside down, you'll get your answer. So what do you think the answer would be for number 7 now? Now it's not B. If you guys are writing B, I'll say that it's not B. So what else it will be? So all your alphabet should go upside down. I got someone giving me the right answer. It's D. Well done. So the answer is D for this one. So let's move on to the next one now. In the next one, they are saying that the shape of the shape on the right is rotated 90 degrees clockwise. You know what 90 degrees is. 90 degrees is this. Clockwise about the point P. Which of the following shows the shape as it now looks? So what do you think the answer would be for this one now? For number 8. It cannot be D, because they are saying that the shape on the right is rotated 90 degrees clockwise about the point P. So you have to think about the point also when you make your answer. So remember, after having been rotated by 90 degrees clockwise, the triangle will point to the right. So the triangle should point to the right, which because of that, we can cancel the options A, B, A, C, and D. So because of that, I can cancel all these options now. So all these options are cancelled. And another thing what I can cancel is A, B, is the shaded square will also have been rotated, placing it below the triangle. So what do you think now your answer could be? What answer you will give now? It will be from B and E. So what do you think the answer is? It's B. Good. So the answer for this one is B. So let's move on to the next one. Number 9 now. A farmer bear has 36 sheep, some pink and the rest white. There are twice as many pink sheep as white sheep. How many of the sheep are pink? So now you need to think about how many of them are pink. I've never seen a pink one. I don't know. Maybe they have just made it. 2/3 of the 36, how many are there total, were dyed pink. So basically in this one, what are you doing? You're just finding 2/3 of 36. Try to simplify this. So 12 multiplied by 2, that is your answer. So what do you think 12 multiplied by 2 is? 24. Good. So that's your answer for this one. Let's move on to the next one. And I'll have my someone to speak for you all now.
Serpent has a tank with 4 snakes in it. Slither is twice as long as Monty. Viper is half as long as Slither. Rattle is 15 centimeter long and half the length of Viper. How long is Monty?
So you have to find out how long is Monty. So what do you think how long is Monty? You need to look at the diagram, and look at this. If you look at the diagram, Monty and Viper have the same length, and Riddle at 15 centimeters is half as long. So how much would be Monty then? Again, this estimate question. It's not D. If you look at the length of them and the way they are placed. Good, it's B. The next one now. Jonathan, Jonathan the tortoise eats 20 grams of cereal leaves a day. The leaves are sold in 80 bags which cost 90p. How much would it cost to feed Jonathan for 4 weeks? So basically, she eats 20 g of cereal leaves a day, and the leaves are sold in 80 bags which cost 90p. So you have to think how much will it cost to feed Jonathan for 4 weeks. Remember how many days then you know that basically there are 28 days in 4 weeks. You need to calculate how many days there are in 4 weeks. That 28 days in 4 weeks. You know that. And each bag of salad will last how many days? So basically just try doing 90 multiply by 90p. So you just need to think what is 7 multiplied by 90 to get your answer. So your answer is E. Good. So that's why your answer is E. That would be 6 pound 30. So let's move on to the next one now. Number 12 now. It says Pat and Sam like to sit at either end of their sofa with their 3 children sitting between them. In how many ways can they do this? So basically, how many ways do you think they can sit this way? So you have to think how many ways they can sit. If we refer to the 3 children as A, B, and C, let's make it A, B, and C are their 3 children. Then we can find 6 different ways. So this is the way we can make, because B can come here, then C can come here, A can come here. So you can think about different ways how you can make them sit. You can basically make them sit is, if you want me to do all the ways, that would be A, B, and C. That's your first way. Then it would be A, C, B. Your second way, your third way would be B, A, C. Then your next way would be B, C, A. Then C, A, B. You can keep going. C, A, B, and the last one is C, B, A. If you refer to the 3 children, B and C, then we can find 6 ways of arranging them in the middle of the sofa. This is the way how the children can, but they are asking now with the 3 children sitting between them. So they are sitting between them. So how many ways can you do this? So there are another ways, that's only for the children. Remember, the parents are also there. So if there are 6 ways for the children you can make, there's a 6 ways, or the parents also you can do. So then you just add the the different ways of parents and the children, and then give your answer. It won't be A, because A will only give you the way how children can sit. But we have to think about the parents also. So there'll be different 6 ways you can make the parents also sit. So 6 ways of parents and 6 ways you can change with the kids. So 6 plus 6, you just need to add them up and then give us the answer. It's B, yeah. Because this, what I've given you, is for the children only. This is the way how children can sit. But you also have to think out 6 ways, because if the children can sit 6 different ways, the parents can also do the same. So let's move on to the next one now. So let the loudspeakers, let this person speak.
Mr. Waddle walks at 2 miles per hour and Mr. Ramble walks at 4 miles per hour. They set off together for a non-stop 12-mile hike. How long after Mr. Ramble finishes does Mr. Waddle complete the hike?
So what do you think the answer would be for this one now? For number 13 now. You have to just find out how long after Mr. Ramble finishes does Mr. Whittle complete his. So we are on number 13 and you got the right answer. It's B. Good. So number 13 is B, and the reason why it's B, because Mr. Reynolds takes 12 hours. He takes, he takes 12 hours. You need to divide it by 2. That is 6 hours, and rather, so Ramble takes 12 divided by 4. So the other one takes 12 divided by 4. That gives you 3 hours. So finishing 3 hours. So now they're asking you how long does, so they're asking about Mr. Ramble finishes, does complete the hike. So he basically takes 3 hours. So he takes 3 hours before Mr. Middle to finish it. So your answer is 3. You need to find about both of them and then tell your answer. 13 is B. Let's just put your answer. 13 is B. Good. So should we move on to the next one now? This is a question I've seen. It's everywhere in the 11 plus. I add together 3 consecutive whole numbers. Their sum is always a multiple of 5, an even number, an odd number, a multiple of 3, or a prime number. So what do you think the answer would be for number 14? Just trying a few examples. If you do it, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 plus 4, example will show that the totals are always You think the answer is D. Okay. Let me show it to you guys now how we did it. So 3 consecutive whole numbers. You know what all numbers are. So if you try to do that, I'll just do one example and see that. See, it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. That's here. You can try this one. I'm just giving you random examples. 2 plus 3 plus 4. They'll show that the totals are always, what are they? 3 plus 2 plus 1, that's 6. And this one is 4 plus 3 is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So which tables do you get 6 and 9 together? So what do you think the answer is? Which tables you get 6 and 9? Which multiples are these two numbers of? They are multiples of 3, yeah. So your answer for 14 is a E. So here you go. It's multiple of 3. So let's move on to the next one.
Misfit likes to line her class up in different ways. When all the pupils are there, she can line them up in twos, or in threes, or in fives, with nobody left over. What is the smallest number she could have in her class for that to be true?
So what do you think the answer would be for number 15 now? So at each lining up, there are no children left over. You have to make sure. So the numbers of children is a multiple. So you want no one to be left over. So the numbers could be a multiple of 2, 3 and 5. So if we write it down like this, let me use my, it's 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. What do you think the answer could be now? I've done everything for you all now. Yeah, it's C. It's 30. Good. So that is your answer for this one. So let's move on to number 16 now. In number 16, they're asking you 5 girls are sitting at a table. Each girl makes a high five with each of the other girls. How many high fives are made? So this is the way they have given you how the girls are sitting. So how many high fives you think these girls will be able to do? So you have to calculate each girl giving a high five and then giving your answer. So what do you think the answer would be for number 16? How many high fives can these girls give to each other? Remember, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 girls. So what would be your answer for number 16? You just need to try doing double of number. Try doing double of 5. That would be your answer. Because each girl will do one time high five with each other. The way is take each girl turn. Eva makes 4 high fives with other 4 girls and Bina has only 3 girls still to high five. Likewise, Clara has only 2 remaining. And after Dora has made the high fives within each. Okay, so the way they are doing is high five with each other. I'll write it on for you all. Is 4 is the first one. That's the second one. That's the third one. And then you won't have any left. So this is the way how they're doing high five with each other. 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. So what do you think the answer would be? So your answer is, it cannot be C, it's A. Because if you count from here, if you do it from here, she does high five, she'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 here. She does high five, it'll be 1, 2, 3 here. And when she does high five, there'll be 2 here. When she does high five, there'll be only one person left to do it. So this is the way how it works. So your answer for this one is 10. So let's move on to the next one, number 17 now. X is 53 81. How many years ago was X's age one third of his mother's age then? So what do you think this one would be for number 17? So basically you look at the age, you need to find out the difference between the ages first. 81 minus 53, let's find that first. That will give you 28, and 28 does not change, therefore it was 14, which was 53 minus 14, because they're asking how many years Aaron's age was one third of his mother's age. So that would be 53 minus 14. That would give you all the answer. And remember, when you have something like this, you have to just go what they're asking you step by step. So what do you think the answer would be for number 17 then? So you just need to minus 53 minus 14. Yes, it's E. Good. Because they are asking you one third of his mother's age. So it's one third. We have to find that. So let's move on to number 18 now. And let's let him speak now.
The floor of Milo's rectangular bedroom is completely covered with square carpet tiles. When he measures the room in tiles, he finds it is 11 tiles long and 8 tiles wide. How many of the carpet tiles do not touch the walls? A 34B, 38C, 50D, 54.
So that's the options. In the end, what did he read? What do you think it is? So basically the way of finding this one, number 18, is, so if we make, I'm thinking was the easiest way. A quicker method is to notice that the tiles that do not touch the walls from a triangle at dimensions are, so try making a drawing something like this, and you have inner one like this. I'll make it better. I'm really bad at drawing, so let's rub it and try doing it again for you all. And all of them are they are all completely covered with square. So all of them are covered with square. I'm just doing randomly, but you have to make it properly. And then they tell you that covered with square, when measure the tiles, 11 tiles among 8 tiles wide, how many do not touch? If you look at how many don't touch, inside we have 9, 6, 8 here, and there's 11 here. So this is the dimensions what they have given. So you form a rectangle and the dimensions are, so you know how to find that. You just need to do it. 11 minus 2 multiplied by 8 minus 2. That will give you guys I'll give you guys 9 multiplied by 6, and that is your answer. So let me see if anybody of you have given me the right answer till now. What's 9 multiplied by 6? That would be your answer. That's D. That would be 54. So 54 is your answer. You just have to, I said I made it randomly, but this is what you have to make it in a proper way, and try putting the dimensions the way they have told you. Then you will be able to find your answer. So let's move on to the next one now. There's lots of pennies in this one. So let's read it.
Penny has one of each of the coins 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, and 50p. She places each of them inside the shapes on a diagram like the one shown here. The money in the circle amounts to 61p, and the money in the square amounts to 38p. Which two coins go in the overlapping region?
So which one do you think goes from the options? So how would you do number 19 now? You know that the total value of pennies is 6 coin is. So you need to calculate the value of 6 coins. That is, let me take my, that would be 1 plus 2 plus 5. Oh, what happened to my 5? Plus 5 plus 10 plus 20 and plus 50p. And that equals to 88p. So the total of this one is 88p. That's not your answer. But these are the separate amounts in the circle and the squares. Together amount is, so together if you look at this one, you have 61p and you have 38p. So you add them up, that becomes 99p, and then you just need to minus it. Adding this up is 91 plus 38. That gives you guys that gives you 99p. That's, then you have to minus it now. So you're minusing 99p minus 88p. That gives you 11p. 11p is 10p and how much? So what do you think the answer would be now? 19, the answer is A. Good. So when you minus that, you have 11p, but you don't have 11p in your answer, so you will go the way they have done. So 10p and 1p together gives you total of 11p. So your answer for this one is A. So let's move on to number 20 now. In number 20, they are saying the last square shown is divided into smaller squares. What fraction is shaded? This is an easy one. You just need to calculate. You just need to see how much of them are shaded and your answer for this one. Number 20. Let's see who's the fastest one among you all who can give me the answer for this one now. Number 20. So what do you think the answer is for number 20? And whatever answer you get, you have to simplify and give the answer. I'm waiting for anyone to give me the answer for number 20. What do you think the answer is for number 20? Anyone has got the answer yet? You all are still doing number 19. So if you look at that, let's calculate number 20. So if you guys don't know number 20, they are saying that each row has 4 shaded square. If you look at that, so each of the 4 shaded squares at the corner is 1 over 16, and the largest square will each of the small shaded square is 1 9 in the middle. Okay, so basically what they have done is 3/12 plus 1/12, that gives you guys 4 over 12. Now I want you guys to simplify that. When you simplify that, what would you get? When you simplify that, you will be getting 1/3, and that would be your answer. And I think so somebody's just given me the answer here. Let me just put your answers on the top again. Who's given? Good, it's 1/3. That's for number 20. So we are on 22 now, 21. So basically it is saying is GKLM is a square, another square is PQRS, touches the midpoint of each of the sides of GKLM. The perimeter of JKLM is 48 centimeters. What is the area of the triangle RMS in square centimeters? So they're asking you RMS, this one. This is the only one they're asking you to tell you. This is the only one they're asking you. So to find this, you just have to do is half, you need to put your formula. Oh, sorry, it's, let me rub it out. I was started in the wrong way. So in this one, you will be just doing it. You know the perimeter is given to you is 48, and the length of each side of the square is 12 centimeters. As you can see from the diagram, the triangle forms 1/8. If you look at this, it forms 1/8 of the area of the square. So if you look at that, it does 1/8 of the triangle forms 1/8 of the area of the square. So the area would be 1/8 multiplied by 12 and multiplied by 12. So try simplify that. I'll do that. It'll be 4, 6, 3, 2, 1. So in this figure, you just need to simplify that and then try to multiply it to give your answer. I'll write it down again. So try simplify that. It is the one you have to do is 1/8 multiply by 12 multiply by 12. You could also multiply by 12 and then see and then divide it by 8. So if you do that way, it would be 144 divided by 8. And then you can try doing your long division, Or you could also simplify that to give you the self answer. It's 144 divided by 8. That would be 18 centimeters square. That would be your answer. So moving to 22 now. So in 22, they are saying the diagram shows a square and a rectangle, hexagon touching a straight line or overlapping. What's the size of the angle marked X? So you have to find this angle here. To find this angle here, how would you do that? You know that the square has a right angle. Right angle, that's a Q. Let me rub it out so you all can see it. And you know the right angle is 90 degrees, right? And the square has a right angle at Q. So let's put them in circle. Let me put them in circle so that you can do it. Let's call this S. Let's call this R. This one is your Q. This one is your P. And this one is your X. So we have named them now so that it'll be easy for us to do it. So now the first angle what you all can see is X Q R. So that one you know that is XQR. That is basically gives you 180 degrees minus 21 degrees. I'm minusing that with that. And minus 90 degrees. And I'm minusing 90 degrees with it. That will give you guys a really good answer. That's 69 degrees. And the next one, we also know that the interior angle of a regular hexagon is equals to 120 degrees. So we can you can minus now 180 minus 120. That gives you guys, and then you can also minus it by 21. That gives you guys 39 degrees. Now using the angle of the sum of the triangles, you know that RXQ. So what they're asking you to find is RXQ. That is the easy way to find that one is 180 degrees minus 39 degrees minus 69 degrees. That gives you guys 72 degrees. And then to find X, you can just minus it. 180 minus 72. That would give you guys your answer. So anybody got that answer? So what is 180 minus 72? So you need to tell me what is 180 minus 72. That would give you the answer for X to find that out. It's 108 degrees. Good. So that would be 108 degrees. Number 23 now. More than 60% but less than 65% of the spiders in my cupboard have hairy legs. Was the smallest number of spiders that could be in my cupboard. So you need to tell how many of them are. Basically, you have to make a long table for this one. I think so. We leave this one because the rest of the questions are. Let me see if anybody of you got that, because you have to make a table and think about how many spiders need to have, because you have to make a table in this one and then try giving the answer. The answer for this one is 8. Good. It's 8. So basically they are making a table here because you're saying 60%. Okay, let me make the table. Let me see if I can add a page here or something. It doesn't. Oh, taken the tool that side. Okay, let's try making a table. You just have to make a table here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I'll do the working out for you all. I'll just copy the working out what they have done and I'll just copy it out for you all. Because if I try making a table, it'll take ages for you all. So I'll copy that and I'll post it in the description in the end. So try doing 24 now. The answer for 23 is 8. It's a long working out. I don't want to confuse you guys, but I'll do it for you all after this live so you all can see it. Or I'll do it if I have time, if you guys are not. So now we are on number 25, 24 now. So number 24, oh, you can't see it, sorry. They are about cats now. If you are a fan of cats, you like this question.
3 cats, Flopsy, Lopsy and Topsy, were weighed in pairs. The weights of each of the 3 pairs were 5 kilograms, 8 kilograms and 9 kilograms. What was the weight of the heaviest cat?
So basically in this one, number 24, the first fraction we discovered is that straight away you did that. Each cat weighs twice as the other one. So you know the weight of the cats is 5 plus 8 plus 9. That's given to you. That equals to, you need to add this up, 5 plus 8 plus 9. That gives you guys 24 kg. And therefore your combined weight is 11 kg. The weight of heaviest cat would be different between the total of the 3 and the last of the paired cats. That is 11. So you just need to do 11 minus 5. That gives you guys your answer. That's 6 kg. So the heaviest cat would weigh is 6 kgs. So now on the last one now. So basically in the last one they are asking you, let's see anybody can do it. I will only tell you the answer and again I will show the working out to you guys. I'll just put the working out for this one also because it'll take some time for you all to do it. So the last one is,
Tabitha writes down a 4-digit number N. She then rubs out one of the digits and creates a new 3-digit number, M, with the 3 digits that are left in the same order as before. The difference between N and M is 2021. What is Tabitha's original number in? Copyright sign.
okay, so basically for this one, think so I can do it. For this one, they are saying that 10 4-digit numbers n be represented by the digits if she rubbed out the digit P on the digit Q or the digit R to get her new 3 digits M. Both N and her M would have the digit in. Okay, let me just put the working out for you all. If I can see, I can find it somewhere. So basically, they are telling you here it's 10 multiplied by M plus S minus M. That would give you guys 9M plus S, and that would be 2021. So what is original number NB? So they're asking you what the original number NB. Now the nearest multiple of 9 is less than 202 is 2021 is 216 and the single digit. That means that the only solution is your M would be 216 divided by 9. That would give you guys 224, and your S is equal to 5. So now the number for Tabit's number N is, so for his number to be, his number would be 2245. So the answer for this one would be 2245. If you don't understand the working out, I will try putting in the description for you guys again afterwards, so you can have a look the way they have done it, so that you can understand it a little better. It was a little confusing, I know, but this is the way how it's done. So now we are end of this paper, and now it's our favorite time what I have with you all. I'm going to just show you all our website, the way it looks, so that you all can see and subscribe to this website, so that we can have, you can watch all the live videos, everything, and there are some members areas there in which you could just go on the website and enjoy some members areas. So that's our website I made for you guys, so you can have all your videos in one place. So they're all videos here, your challenge videos, what you guys love. These are some of your challenge videos. You could go on that website and have a look at the challenge videos and see how the challenge videos look. And in the website, there are lots of videos here. We have, so it tells you in the schedule of that what's the next video you will have. And this is what I was telling you. In this website, there is one section for members only. So if you want to become a member, just try becoming a member, because in the all your prizes, everything would be in this website. So you could see it here. You can just subscribe to this membership, and after that, when you do that, you will be able to, can you hear me? I think so. Somebody's saying there's a lot of noise. So in the membership, if you take the membership, there will be some videos on this which only members can do. So there will be some videos on this website which are only for members, not for everyone. Let me just take a copy it for you all. I've put the link here for you all to have a look. So if you want to be a part of this, you can just become a member on the website And there are some videos what we'll be posting here, and the live video what you guys are here today. You could also see the live video what's going on today would be in the members area. Sorry, it will be in the home page. So here is the video. What you guys are here, you could come on the website and see the live videos where you all are. All the live videos will be posted on the website as well as in the YouTube. So you all can have a look and come back to these videos and become a member. And all the prizes, everything would be for members. So if you guys have any prizes, anything, I could give you all the prizes. Everything would be announced in this group here. So you can become a member here, subscribe to this website, and take the benefits of becoming a member, because you have lots and lots of things coming up in summer which you all would love it. It all be there for you all. So there are all the videos what you have, and there are some special videos what only members can have it. They can log in and they can be a part of the videos. Not everyone can see that videos. And also remember, we had so many creative writing classes. So all the videos for your creative writing can be found in our creative writing. It's free to become a member. You don't have to pay anything to become a member on this website. So it's absolutely free to become a member on this website. You just need to write your email address and become a member. That's it. And that's all for today. If you have not liked the video, please do it. And also let me know what live you want next week on a Wednesday, what topics you are struggling in. Just write in the chat and let me know what topics you all want for next week so we can do that. And I'll see you guys back next week at 6 o'clock again, and then we'll be coming in the summer. Remember, you'll be having the live sessions in summer Monday to Wednesday in the morning at 12 o'clock throughout August. So that's all for today, and I'll see you guys back next week now. Bye.